Hello everyone, how are you? We hope you all are doing very well. In today's video, we will talk about the latest weather that going on over United States. Before starting the video, we request you to subscribe our YouTube channel Weather Coverage so you don't miss any important updates about Mauritius weather, United States weather, and Atlantic hurricane season updates. Thank you. We suggest you to watch complete video to have the better knowledge. Precipitation chances will also increase for the center of the country, as a couple different systems pass through the region. To the north, a upper-level wave will help to deepen, organize a low-pressure system over the northern plains. Forecast to lift northeastward through the upper Midwest and into Canada Wednesday, Thursday. Some light showers will be possible ahead of the system, but more precipitation is expected to follow in the colder air on the backside of the system track, along the Canadian border. Some light to moderate snow accumulations are expected through Thursday morning from northern North Dakota into northwestern Minnesota, further south. The upper-level trough over the west will approach the central, southern plains from the west, helping to induce cyclogenesis along the Rockies and strengthen a frontal system over the plains by Thursday. A broad area of showers and thunderstorms is expected in the warm sector ahead of the system over the central and southern plains into the middle, lower Mississippi Valley as moist Gulf return flow spreads northward, especially into Thursday evening tonight. Strengthening deep layer shear as stronger winds arrive with the approach of the upper-level trough may lead to some severe thunderstorms, with the Storm Prediction Center highlighting western Oklahoma into northwest central Texas in a slight risk level to 5. For the threat of some large hail, as well as damaging winds and an isolated tornado. Some locally heavy downpours and an isolated risk of flash flooding will exist more broadly across the region as well. Finally, the system will bring some moderate higher elevation of mountain snow to portions of the central Rockies, with some lighter snow mixing in for the central high plains. A familiar pattern of above average temperatures for central, eastern portions of the country and below average temperatures in the west looks to continue for at least the next couple of days. Highs for many locations will be upwards of 10 to 20 degrees above average from the plains to the east coast. Forecast highs generally range from the 40s and 50s from the upper Midwest east through the Great Lakes and New England. The 50s and 60s from the central plains east through the middle Mississippi-Ohio valleys into the mid-Atlantic, and the 60s and 70s from the southern plains east through the lower Mississippi Valley into the southeast and Florida. A pocket of much colder temperatures in the 20s and 30s behind a cold front in the far northern plains will begin to spread southward following the front, with highs dropping into the 30s and 40s for portions of the northern and central plains Thursday after a warmer Wednesday. Forecast highs in the west range from the 30s and 40s in the Pacific Northwest and Great Basin, the 50s and 60s in California, and the 60s and 70s in the desert Southwest. Thanks for watching this video. If you are satisfied with the update, then like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet in next video. Goodbye then.